bata pa, nang iwan ako ng aking ama. Matay lumuluha na, di kaya ni nanay nang iwan niya sa aking may bumulong. Sabi ni tatay, wag kang iiyak, malungkot ako, aking ama. Kung may pagkakataon na mayakap siya at masabi ko, mahal kita, aking ama. Awiting to ay alay ko sa iyo, mahal na mahal. Mahal kita, o aking ama. My mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, then finally made me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that will never, never end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how mama would cry for him. I'd pray for her even more than me. I'd pray for her